What's up, guys? How's it going? It's a hard day for me today. As you can see from the title of the video, it's true. Man, it's been a really great journey. Honestly, like all these last 5 years, going into almost the sixth year now, working on this channel. It started in 2016, and it was just so much fun building out these videos for you guys, teaching you guys coding, giving you guys more skills. It was super fun, honestly. Like I really enjoyed this process, and I feel like I've changed in that journey. But honestly, I just, yeah, like it's just not fulfilling anymore. I just have to keep coming in every single day and making these videos, and it doesn't feel good anymore. And I just, I wanted to be able to keep doing this forever. But I think for me, the time has come to end this journey on YouTube. I think Clever Programmer is done. And I just thank you guys for being part of this amazing journey. Honestly, like it was so much fun being able to share all these moments with you guys, learn more coding myself with you guys, and build new things every single day or every single week, and bring it. But I think there are a lot of other things that I want to chase. For example, now I'm training for chess, and I'm trying to, increase my rating. I'm almost a 2100 rated player, so I want to start competing in chess more often. And there's a tournament going on in Vegas, June, and so I'm going to be going there and playing. There's just a lot of other paths that I want to be, kind of embarking on. Maybe there might be some other YouTube channels I might start, but I think for now, this is it. This is the end of this journey. It has been amazing knowing all of you guys, but I think I'm going to be deleting this channel primarily just because there's better work that I think I'm going to be able to do in the future. And I just want to start off with a clean slate, honestly. Just start off with a clean slate. So, in the next few days, I think this channel should be completely deleted. And yeah, so that's that. But outside of that, I mean, mainly I will, still be on Instagram. So you guys could hit me up there. And I would, I really want to see all of you keep succeeding in the journey of programming and learning coding and learning blockchain skills or whatever it is that the journey that you're on. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot to me that you were here to support. And I know some of you have been supporting the channel since the start, since 2016. So a huge shout out to all of those people, or 2017. And even if you're brand new, honestly, a huge shout out to you. Thank you for being a part of this. And, I've been a developer, and now I think the time for me has come to move past that and go on to a new venture and just learn something new, because I think after I've learned something and mastered it enough, my personality is I want to move on and do new things in the world and create new things and come up with new ideas. And that's what excites me personally. In terms of, a question you might have in your mind, like, Hazi, what are you going to be doing now? Well, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Probably going to be taking a little bit of a break. Maybe I'll go to another country, go do some soul searching there. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to be doing. That's it seems like what the next steps are, and just kind of take it easy, relax a little bit, enjoy life, because I feel like I've been getting burned out recently. It's just been super stressful, and so I feel like that would be the best thing for me to do. Just relax, take it easy, and maybe a few years later come back and do something else on YouTube or whatever it may be. But I think for now, that's where I'm at. Honestly, there's so many feelings, so many mixed emotions, and yeah, that's really it. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I'm sorry I'm even making this video. Like, what's the point of it? I should just do it, right? But I don't know. I thought, like, you guys deserve to know what was happening and what's happening. Maybe even if it's some form of closure, because, we made a lot of amazing memories over the years and did so much. So just want to say I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting everything up until this point. I wish you all the best in your life and on your journey. And, as always, this is Kazi, and I'll see you not in the next video, but hopefully at some point in the future. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Wait a minute. What's today's date? April 1st? Huh. Well, I guess in that case, I'm not quitting YouTube. And we're all good. So see you guys next week. Peace. I just have to keep coming in every single day and make these videos, and